then is to map Q using that formula, which is volume minus reduced capacity times time, and the time duration of the Q, which is a maximum unit done over C minus volume, which is capacity minus volume. We have the average Q length. Maximum Q length is divided by the 2, and the total delay, which is the average length multiplied by C minus C R times T over C minus T. So para ma-appreciate na ito ang formula ng one taog formula. So a 3-lane expressway which has one direction is carrying a total volume of 5,050 vehicles per hour. When an incident occurs, resulting in closure of 2 lanes, and it takes 90 minutes to clear the obstruction that there is the following. First is the maximum fuel length that will be formed. B is the total delay.
Fuel drivers and vehicles between 2 points and the interactions remain in one another. So basically ang traffic flow is ang study is sa tao. And there are second bullet, kung mabasa niyo is nakabutang na unpredictable ang driver behavior because like stop to sa intersection, stop yun na. Kahit ba driver ng diretso lang, panayon ko na magkakanin. So hindi siya 100% na certainty. Tapos so kailangan po low density and velocity. Discuss naman ito ako, di ba? Time-space diagram. Time-space diagram that describes the relationship between the location of a vehicle and the traffic stream and the time as the vehicle progress along the highway. So, graph, kita ninyo buwan ang position of the time. And for example, vehicle 1, vehicle J minus I, para sa vehicle 1, vehicle 2, vehicle J. So, example, ng vehicle, karang first vehicle na kabagyan na siya, ng biyahe, tapos sa vehicle J is kapit pa naman. Then, kapag sila certain distance, na example,